Hello everybody, my name is Ken Olson. I'm a sales agent here at Euromarina in southern Spain, Costa Blanca. We're now situated in Ciudad Quesada, that it's located around 25 minutes from the Alicante airport. Today I'm going to show you one of our villas. Please come in. Here you can see the refreshing pool side with your terrace here. And on the other side you have your own private parking. Here we have the open style kitchen with a very large spacious living room and dining room. All the decorations are from our own furniture shop. We have 3 designers that can help you to design the house of your dreams. This is one of the guest rooms here. You have your view to the garden. With very spacious bathrooms with heated floors. Here we are in the master bedroom. It's a very creative design, as you can see. We have integrated closets on the right side. And here we also have direct access to the balcony. Choose to trust a solid company. Choose Euromarina.